absolutely fearful of all dentists. When I was little, I went to a dentist appointment and found out that they were going to do 2 fillings, and I can't remember how old I was, I think around 8 or so. And he was going to do it without any Novocaine or anything too much. In fact, when he was starting to give me the Novocaine, he went in, I bit his fingers, ran away and hid underneath the office furniture. Because of his whole approach, he didn't explain to me, I understand I'm only 8 years old, but he didn't explain to me what was going on, so I was fearful of this big needle coming towards my mouth. I was not sure what was going to happen next, and so I went and hid, basically. I would not go back to this particular dentist, and we went to a couple other that are in town, but we finally found a dentist in town that was very good with kids my age, and he would hide the instruments from me. He would talk to me the whole time. He would make things disappear that I wouldn't be focused on what was going on. I'd pay more attention to what he was saying. Absolutely. Absolutely. I moved from Maine to Arizona, and I would not even go to another dentist in Arizona. So I would make those trips back and have my yearly dentist appointments with this dentist that I would have back in Maine. From there, I moved from Arizona to here, realized that I couldn't always make a trip home to go see the dentist, so I started shopping around for a dentist in the area. When I was looking for a dentist, I specifically started looking under Sedation Dental care and what kind of offerings that they had. The thing that I was normally used to was nitrous gas to have for even getting Novocaine or such for that. But I did look up in seeing the Davidian practice and was able to find out that they do a different type of sedation dental care. That sounded very interesting to me. It's amazing. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's gonna... When I come in for even a routine cleaning, I get nitrous. That's how fearful I am of the dentist and hygienist. So when I come in and I have to have a root canal, or if I have to have a crown where it's going to be some extensive dental work, it'll talk me through what the procedure is going to be like. I will come in for what they call a prep pill appointment, and I'll come in for that. They'll tell me what's going to happen that day. The day of the actual appointment, I will take a pill in the morning, and I take it about an hour before I get here. By the time I get here, I have someone drive me, and by the time I get here, I'm okay, calm and everything, and he'll start, working on, my teeth, and we'll talk about what's happening, and next thing you know, I am going home. They do a very good job at follow-up and instruction. So when I'm leaving here for an appointment, I make sure to tell my husband that I drink water, and if I'm going home to rest, drinking water, making sure I get everything out of my system. They will follow up that evening with anything, concerns or any questions, is there any swelling, anything that they would be concerned about or I should be concerned about. The next day, I'm fine. I'm able to go to work. It might be, a little pain around the area for where the tooth, depending on if I had a crown or whatnot, but nothing that I can't handle, and that being said is a big deal. If you have fear of going to the dentist or the hygienist, I highly recommend going to see Sedation Dental Care. They've taken great care of me in several situations, and like I said, I even get nitrous when it comes to having my teeth cleaned. So outside of that, and then anytime I do have any extreme dental work done, Dr. Dan has been outstanding, as is the front office, and I couldn't ask for anything more. I think the difference between this office and others is, they remember your name, they remember situations, they remember feedback that you've given to them. When I call in and schedule even a cleaning, they're like, all right, that's right, well, we know we need to make sure we have enough time for you to get nitrous as well. And they follow up with myself, and they follow up with my husband too, in case, you know, they want to make sure that they can't reach me, they follow up with him. So I do appreciate the follow-up. I appreciate the front office and their kindness and you know, generosity and what we're talking about. It's almost like it's like a little family. I'm not fearful of coming to the dentist anymore.